All right, so this is question 15 in section 2.3. It says John works 2 jobs. Security guard, he earns $9.75 per hour. Landscaper, he earns $11 per hour. In 1 week, John worked 30 hours and he earned $303.75. How many hours did he work at each job? So we have all the information they gave us, the $9.75, the $11, the 30 hours, and the total of $303.75. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mark the hours as a security guard as X, the hours as a landscaper as Y, and then we know that the sum of those two are going to add up to 30 hours. And then since we're going to have 2 variables here in a minute, I'm just going to go ahead and solve this one for X, and because I only want 1 variable to solve in my equation. Now we know that he gets $9.75 times X, how many hours? Plus $11 times Y, that's the hours he worked as a landscaper, and that's going to be equal to $303.75. So we're going to replace X with this equation right here, and so we're going to have 9.75 times 30 minus Y plus 11Y is equal to 303.75. And then if we do 30 times 9.75, we should get 292.5 minus 9.75y plus 11y is equal to $303.75. We're going to go ahead and combine like terms. So we're going to get 292.5 plus 1.25y is equal to 303.75. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and subtract the 292 from both sides. So we're going to do $303.75 minus 292.5, which is going to give us 11.25. And then we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by the 125 so we can go ahead and solve for y, and we're going to get that y is equal to 9. So according to this, he worked for 9 hours as a landscaper. And so we know that the total amount of hours were 30. And so what we can do is simply subtract. And if we do that, we get that he worked for 30 minus 9, which is 21 hours as a security guard. And we can actually go ahead and let me just put this here. X is equal to 21, Y is equal to 9. And we can actually calculate that. So 9.75 times 21 plus 11 times 9, and then that should give us hopefully the 303.75 that we need. So this is 204.75, and then we have the $99 over here, and then we can go ahead and add these together to see what we get, and we get $303.75. So this is the way that you should be breaking up this problem to be able to solve it. Thank you.